Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Our case today very interesting. This 8 years old girl presented with history of snoring and opening her mouth during breath, and there is pictures of obstructive sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea. So we requested for her X-ray post nasal space soft tissue, and this is the finding. If you will see here, this is enlargement of adenoid tissue is observing indenting or indentation and compressing the posterior nasopharyngeal air column. Nasopharyngeal air column. So this is adenoidal mass compressing or constricting the airway. Compressing the airway. So the message from the case: in a child with history of snoring, opening his mouth during breath, and there is history of obstructive sleep apnea, you have to do for him post-nasal space soft tissue X-ray, looking for what? For adenoidal hypertrophy or mass compressing, or there is indenting. What? Indenting the air column. Is not matter of adenoidal hypertrophy, but matter of adenoidal size to size of the air column, to size of the air column. This is the message from the case. شكرا. سلام عليكم.